use the Pepperball pepper grinder, first rotate the base from the small dot to the large dot or vice versa to adjust the coarseness. And then to use, squeeze the handles to grind. And to refill, it's very easy. You just twist the handles. And there you go. And just replace by going in the opposite direction. And to use the salt ball salt grinder, do exactly the same thing.
The Emulster salad dressing mixer is the easiest way to mix and store your own homemade salad dressings. When making something simple like the balsamic, pop the top off the emulster to fill with your ingredients. Once you've filled the emulster with your ingredients, replace the top and pull the trigger. The stirring stick blends automatically and easily. When the dressing is fully mixed, pull the top up, but not off, to pour easily and without any mess. For storage, push the top back down and toss the emulster in the fridge until next time. Chef'n has created the perfect popcorn popper, the Pop Top. Measuring the right amount of kernels is easy with the Pop Top. To make a full 10 cups of popcorn, fill the basin on the bottom, right to the edge. To close the Pop Top, fold in the triangles one by one like this. Then place in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Use the tabs on either side of the popper to remove it safely from the microwave. Then add salt and enjoy. When you're busy cooking, preparing woody, stemmed herbs like rosemary and thyme can be really tedious. Not when you've got a zip strip. This handy little gadget removes herb leaves from their stems in a zip. To use, take your herb and put the base through the hole that is just slightly bigger than the stem. And then pull. The bowl at the bottom catches the herbs and it measures them at the same time.
The strawberry slicer is really fun to use. Just insert your pre-stemmed or destemmed strawberry right in there, push or face down, because when you push down, it comes out with a little bit of force. So there you go, you get nicely sliced strawberries. Let's do that one more time. Put it in here, be careful not to touch the blades in here as they're quite sharp. This side is dull, this side is sharp, so just a warning. And push that down, and look at that, you are ready for strawberry shortcake, or for that nice, lovely icy daiquiri.
Hi, Cindy.
More, please remind me 2 minutes later.
No problem.
More, who can I contact for ID design? Which department?
Wait a second.
Ma, can you tell me a story?
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived with her mommy in a cottage on the edge of a big forest.